Hello students, myself Rahul Singh. Today I am going to explain you about the topic trigonometry. As you can see that this is trigonometry. In Greek language, trigono means triangle and metry means to measure. If we can talk about a triangle, these are the three vertex of a triangle A, B and C. Only 6 things are there in triangle. There are 3 angles in a triangle and there are 3 sides in a triangle. As you can see that the angles in a triangles are angle A, angle B and angle C. And there are 3 sides also. AB, let's say X, AC, let's say Y and BC, let's say Z. So we can conclude that in triangle there are 3 angles and 3 sides. In trigonometry, we can calculate the value of any angle of a triangle and we can also calculate the value of any side of any triangle. But luckily in your course, only one type of triangle you have to be studied. That triangle is known as right angle triangle. If we talk about right angle triangle, the one angle of our triangle is 90 degree. Let's say A, B and C. This is a right angle triangle in which only one angle is 90 degree and other 2 angles are less than 90 degree. Means angle A and angle C should be acute angle or less than 90 degree. Okay. If we talk about this triangle, right angle triangle, there is a property of this triangle. That is, if we take let's say angle C equals to theta, then what's the property of this triangle? The opposite side of this angle theta should be perpendicular and the side that is nearest to the angle theta, that is base, and the side opposite to the 90 degree angle, that is AC, we can say it hypotenuse. Okay. Then what is the relationship between perpendicular, hypotenuse and base? So there is a relationship which is explained by the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? You can say that hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. This is the relationship between hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. And the relationship explained by the theorem, this is known as the Pythagoras theorem. By this using we can solve any of the value. We can calculate any angles of the triangle and any side of the triangle. How can we calculate? There are 6 type of trigonometric functions in a trigonometry. These functions are, as you can see, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. These are 6 functions we are using in the trigonometry, and by using these functions we can calculate any of the angle of any triangle. Means in right angle triangle we can calculate any of the angle or we can calculate any of the side by using these 6 functions of trigonometry. Let's take an example how to calculate. Like you have to learn that sine theta, you have to take angle. This angle theta should be there. Sine theta, what is the formula of sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec, sec and cot? The formula of sine theta is P upon H. P means perpendicular or H means hypotenuse. What is the formula of cos theta? That is B upon H. Same, tan theta, P upon B. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. If sine theta is P upon H, then cosec theta is H upon P. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. If cos theta is B upon H, then sec theta is H upon B. Simultaneously, tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta, or cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. If tan theta is P upon B, then cot theta should be B upon P. B means base, P means perpendicular, and H means hypotenuse. These are the formulas of trigonometric functions, 6 trigonometric functions. So let's take an example and I can show you how can we use these six trigonometric functions to solve any question of trigonometry. Like if I draw a triangle and taking this angle as theta, which is equals to 30 degree, and the vertex are A, B and C, that is 90 degree angle on B. If I take an example, let's say AB equals to you can take any of the value like 4 centimeter, and you have to find the value of BC. You have to find the value of BC. So how can you find the value of BC? By using this side and this angle. So you can see that the side opposite to this angle should be perpendicular, and the side nearest to this angle should be base, and the side opposite to 90 degree should be hypotenuse. You are having perpendicular 4 centimeter, and you have to find the value of base, and you are given angle theta equals to 30 degree. So there is a relationship between P and B. You can see that the relationship between P and B is given in tan theta or cot theta. You can use any of the formula to solve your question. If I am taking tan theta equals to P upon B, like you have given that tan theta which is 30 degree equals to P, that is given 4 centimeter, upon B means base. You have to find the value of B. You know there is a table. You have to learn a table, trigonometric table. I will explain you later, but I can't. You have to know that the value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. That you can see from the table given in your book, and you have to find the value of B. If we calculate the B, then B should be in the numerator. So what you can do, just reciprocal these values, B upon 4, and if we reciprocate root 3 upon 1, the 4 should be in multiplication. If we take this 4 here, then you have to multiply these values. B equals to 4 root 3 centimeter. There is a given the side of this perpendicular is 4 centimeter, then you should put the sign centimeter. So you can see that I can easily find the value of base, that is 4 root 3, by using this formula. This is all about trigonometry. This is the basic of trigonometry, in which you can use these 6 formulas to solve any of the angle and any of the side of any triangle, that is right angle triangle. I hope you like it. Thank you.